So yeah, I just wanted to end it with a few more songs. I mean, it's over now, but I wanted to end it with a few songs about gentrification, and I wanted to show different formats and different people that, you know, the main urban music's the music that comes out of the urban setting is hip hop and punk rock, and so those are the people that experience that gentrification. It's much more disproportionate for black people, but it's something that all working class poor people go through and are experiencing in spades right now, as the entire country is just having cement and glass dumped over it for this sanitized version that will make it safe for all the tech geek hipsters to come and move in and feel comfortable and safe so that they can build their own vision of what the world is like and fuck everybody else. Hipsters are like the most gangster motherfuckers on the planet, because they'll just come in and buy everything and open up their own businesses and open cereal bars and weird, creepy, stupid bullshit hipster shit, and then just bulldoze everybody the fuck out. And no one else has that capability. Anyway, thank you for listening. I'll tell you those songs, you know, it was Tarica Jones, but anyway, and then I played a clip of Michael Parenti talking about how wealth creates poverty. I followed that up with Four-Letter Word with Rich White Ghetto, then Deniro Ferrar, Gentrification, and the last one was Agnostic Front, Old New York. Thank you for listening. I'll catch you next time, and have a good week, and stay housed.